Now in this video I am going to solve one more question as according to super profit method by applying super profit method. But in this question net profit is given and we have to determine normal profit also. Means we need some past adjustment. So how to determine goodwill? By super profit method. In case of past adjustment, now we are going to discuss. I am going to solve question number 26 of your book T.S. Grewal. I am reading question carefully, listen. After that we will solve question. Ayub, Amit are partners in a firm. They admit Jaspal into partnership with effect from 1st April 2020. They agreed to value goodwill at 3 years purchases by super profit method, for which they decide to average profit of last 5 years. Profits for last 5 years are as follows. Profits of last 5 years given. Profit for 16, 17, 18, 19 and 22. The firm has total assets of rupees 20 lakh and outside liability of rupees 5 lakh as on that date. Means in this question capital employed is not given but total asset is given, outside liability is given. Normal top return of the business is 10%. Find goodwill. See, first of all what we have to do before starting question, we have to determine normal profit of the business. See, profit is given question number 26. Profit is given, in this step we are going to find, calculate normal profit of the firm. See how profit for 31st March 16 given, 31st March 17, 31st March 18, 31st March 19, 31st March 20. And how much profit is given? 1,50,000, 1,80,000, 1 lakh, 2,60,000 and 2,40,000. Now see, in 2016 no adjustment is given. In 17 also no adjustment is given. But for 18 and 19 there are two adjustments. What are they? For 18, for this year, for 18, this 1 lakh is including abnormal loss of rupees 1 lakh. You know that if 1 lakh abnormal loss is adjusted here. Abnormal loss. If 1 lakh abnormal loss is adjusted here in this profit, so we have to adjust. And for the adjustment, what we have to do? We have to add this abnormal loss to determine normal profit of the business. So 1 lakh we are adding, determine normal profit. Number 2, for 2019 in this year there is a normal gain of rupees 40,000. So abnormal gain is 40,000. So this abnormal gain is included here in this 2019 profit 2,60,000 rupees. How much abnormal gain is included? 40,000. Abnormal gain should be ignored for the valuation of goodwill. So what we are going to do here? We are deducting 40,000. So now what is the normal profit? 2 lakh here and 2,20,000. Okay. So this is your actual normal profit of the firm. 16, 150, 8, 17, 180, 18, 2 lakh, 19, 2 lakh 20 and 20, 2 lakh 40. This is your normal profit, and with the help of this normal profit we can determine average profit. Okay. See, now I am going to find average profit. After that we utilize this average profit to determine super profits. See how average normal profit. Okay, formula is 1,50,000 plus 1,80,000 plus 2 lakh plus 2,20,000 plus 2,40,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divide by 5. We can find out what is average normal profit. See, 150 plus 180 plus 2 lakh plus 2,20,000 plus 2,40,000 upon 1,98,000 is your average normal profit. Okay. Now we have determined average normal profit. After that, we are going to solve question further by super profit method. See carefully. So student, we have determined average normal profit here. Now we are moving to our next step. What is our step 1? Normal profit. For normal profit, what we need? We need capital employed. Student, you can see that in this question number 26, capital employed is not given. And I have explained you that if capital employed is not given, so we are having two approaches: asset approach, liabilities approach. According to asset approach, total asset minus outside liability, and according to liabilities approach, partners capital credit balance, partners current account credit balance minus debit balance of current account plus reserve plus profit minus loss. So in this question, according to resource, we have to apply asset approach to determine capital employed. What is asset? 20 lakh. 20 lakh is total asset. And outside liability is 5 lakh. So now what is your capital employed? 15 lakh. Now this is your capital employed 15 lakh. We have determined. Now this capital employed we are going to apply here. 15 lakh capital employed, and as per question, normal term return given. What is normal term return given? 10%. 10% is normal term return. So normal profit is 1,50,000. This is 1,50,000 normal profit. Average normal profit we have determined here 1,98,000. So see, 1,98,000 already given. We have determined here. Now apply step 3. What is step 3? Step 2 minus step 1. Step 1. What is step 1? And what is step 2? Step 2, 1,98,000. Step 1, 1,50,000. You will find your super profit. Okay. What is super profit? 1,98,000 minus 1,50,000, 48,000 is your super profit. Now we are going to find goodwill of the firm. Step 4, goodwill of the firm. How? Super profit 48,000 to number of purchasing year as per the question given. How much? 3 years purchasing. 3. You can find goodwill of the firm. 44,000. This is your answer of question number 26. So I have explained you question number 26. This is starting point to determine average normal profit. We are utilizing this average normal profit here. And now with the help of this question, I am giving you homework. Question number 24, question number 25. You can solve just following the instruction whatever I have given in this question number 26. Okay, thank you.